Hello, this is Chris Baird, and I'm looking forward to going back to Norway on board Ambience, which is full of character and atmosphere, real comfort and style. I'm your compere for a very special evening in the Palladium Theatre. You will meet some of the legendary DJs from BBC Radio 1 and from the much-loved Radio Luxembourg. And joining us on stage will be Mike Reid, David Kidd Jensen, Tony Prince and Lewis Rogers, head of CBS Records. These guys have lived life to the full, and they'll be telling their stories to you, like when Mike Reid teamed up with Cliff Richard to play guitar in front of Lady Diana, and when Kidd Jensen played football with the Rolling Stones, and when Tony Prince met Elvis Presley. It's an exclusive night only on Ambassador's Ambience. I'll see you on board.